What's up, guys? Are you filming? Yeah. Alright, what's up, guys? So we're gonna be welding the truss on today. So here it is. So we are gonna have to do a little bit of cutting. You can see on this side it doesn't really match up very well. So I just gotta cut a little bit off of this end to get it to drop in and scoot over just a little bit. But it's actually also kind of nice because we can weld this onto the seat, on the inner seat, and help support that as well. So that will actually be kind of nice. This can all get welded right here. We just got to make sure we have room for the knuckle when the knuckle comes down right here. It beats trying to make your own truss, 100%. So I can deal with cutting off just a tiny bit. I mean, make like we don't have the plasma today, the plasma cutter, so I'm gonna have to do it old school with the grinder today. Oh well, it is what it is, but we'll get it done. Another package? All right. She got a package. We get a lot of packages in the mail. It's right here. Where? Right there. Oh, it's the coil buckets. Nice. He's gonna need a little bit of sanding too. That goes like that. And then these are gonna sit on here like this. That's the new box. Hopefully she fits this time. We're still going to cut a little bit off the end. Boy, man. Technically, when you're welding a cast like this, you're supposed to heat it up first, like 400 degrees. But I ain't got time for that. And like I said, this is kind of just a backup. so I don't really care to heat it up first, but you're supposed to.